Hey everybody, just thought you might like to know what this thing is. It's a sphere which I've erected recently out in our front yard. It's created a bit of a stir in the neighbourhood because of its appearance, and I just thought I'd show you very briefly how I've put this together. It's actually been quite simple. Simple, maybe a few little complications, but anyway, it's created quite an effect in our front yard. It's just a metal sphere that's gone a bit rusty and creates quite an interesting look. I've got this solar powered light above, got the bats flying overhead. It's all happening here in Bairnsdale. Wow. It's just been a matter of getting two quite strong brackets to mount off the wall, making sure that the wall, which is a paling fence, is well supported with some treated pine, extending the brackets slightly so that they would have suitable strength to carry the weight of the sphere, and then bolting the whole thing together, a bit of silicone here and there, and also a bit of a security thing to make sure that no one can sneak into our front yard and run off with the whole thing. It cost a few dollars to purchase, so therefore I want to make the thing a little bit secure so that nobody can be tempted to run off with it. Anyway, what do you think of our new sphere in our front yard?